You've been patient and diligent enough to get to the perfectly ripe stage of an avocado, which feels like it lasts only about half a day. Congrats! Now it's time to celebrate that rare moment with some expert knife work. Using a small knife, cut the avocado in half lengthwise first, from top to bottom. That will reveal the large pit in the center. In a truly ripe avocado, you can take a spoon and simply scoop out the pit, and then use the same spoon to ease the green flesh away from the dinosaur-type outer peel. Don't hold the pit-laden avocado half in one hand and use a large knife to whack into the pit so you can lift it out. Many people use this method, but swinging a big, sharp knife with force and speed toward your palm is never a good idea, Schwartz says. Why you should eat them. Talk about a nutrient-dense food. Avocados are packed with fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and phytochemicals, which all work together to support heart health and can even contribute